Alright, what up, my noodles? This is Fop Doodle on assignment spaghetti. And this is how I make real things in Blender. Uh, because of a project I'm starting on and somebody I'll be working with, I decided to do this quick little thing to explain exactly what I do with pictures of things and people in order to make them real things via 3D printing. Let's get started! So, first step, pictures! I decided to start with my fat ass because I needed a real world reference. So you can see, just 4 regular pictures of myself. Front, back, side to side. I wish I had more flattering pictures for this, quite honestly. And I take those pictures, I start up the Blender, and I put the picture behind the object that I will be building into the things. So, got the front, got the right side, got the back side, and I flip it around, go into edit mode, extrude a piece up here, down there, and now we have the model. I'll do a different thing at some point explaining how I actually do all of that. But for now, this is just the basics of how I do making things from pictures to stuff. Like, I have this model of me as a reference. It is scaled to my own body, to my own actual proportions. Good God, I'm so fat. And that is how I judge things digitally as to whether or not they're going to actually fit and work in real life. Scale it up to me. And so, what are we going to do with this one? For the purposes of, like, making an outfit or something, I can outline stuff. So, how about a hoodie? Got extruded a little shirt there. Put a hood on it. How about some ears? Maybe a little something else, like a little tail on there. There we go. Hoodie with ears and tail. And then what are we gonna do? Gonna unwrap the design. You can see this is the actual hoodie here. You can see how it fits on me digitally. And all these red lines here that outline the actual pattern of the thing. It's unwrapped. And you can see all this over here. So this is the pattern that makes this. So what we're going to do, now we can color it. So red now is like, and now we have an idea of what I look like wearing this red hoodie with ears and a tail that I thought of. The red for itself ain't doing much for me. Let's add some design. There we go. So we got the magical stripy red hoodie. We know what that looks like without doing anything, really. So yeah, that's about it. I take the pictures as reference, I build a model, I tore this literally from the model and just extruded it out a little bit and did the patterning and stuff. So it's like, if I were to take that pattern, apply it to some fabric, cut it out, sew it together, this is exactly how it would fit and look. And, that's the pattern by itself. I can take the actual UV map like this for something a little more printer friendly to print out for the actual pattern. And that's basically the whole process of turning a 3D model of myself into a previously non-existent hoodie. And there's the end results. So, the advantage of doing things this way is I know not to make that hoodie. Ever. And that is how I make real things in Blender. I hope you enjoyed this stupid thing I did for educational purposes. And that's all she wrote. So until next time, stay saucy.